Hey, this is Chris with FP Design Fab. Today's quick tip is on blade retention for mounting blades to pack straps and battle belts, etc. Okay, so my main quick tips for today are when you're securing your blades to straps and belts, try to use a climbing cord that you can get at a rock climbing store instead of your standard 550 cord. As you can see, the climbing cord maintains a diameter better and holds its shape, whereas the your standard paracord, which is great and strong, it tends to bunch up and it's a little bit harder to feed through the holes that you burn with your soldering iron. And then maybe get yourself some cord locks if it's not going to be a permanent mount like this piece here. A lot of times I just keep it on a pack strap, but sometimes I take it off, use it somewhere else. So I put a cord lock on it, and what I like to do is run my cords long enough that so they're not sticking out, that I can loop them back through so they're pinched in tight there. So there you go. There's your FP Design Fab quick tip of the day. Have a good one.